Is there a new tax coming? As a landlord, we are all aware of the heavy burden that property tax takes on our tenants. Now, there is a new tax being implemented in some areas that specifically targets property owners if the home or unit is vacant. In 2021, Ottawa City Council approved a proposed vacant unit tax, or VUT. The intent is to improve the rental housing supply in the area. If this moves forward, the tax will apply only to residential units which are 1 to 6 units on the property. If the unit is not occupied for 6 months or more during a calendar year, the VUT will be triggered. A tax of 1% of the assessed value will be added to the total residential property tax, which may, in some instances, double the existing property tax bill. Vancouver already has a VAT in place with a 3% tax rate, so this isn't a new concept. Landlords should be wary. Keep an eye out for a new way to tax landlords.